Today I'm going to show you how I used Dollar Tree signs, items from my stash, to decorate and make two wall pieces. Here's one. Here's the other. So Dollar Tree and Dollar General home decor. Stay tuned.
Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I'm here with a Dollar Tree, Dollar General home decor project. Something that I'm going to do just to dress up these items that I picked up that I am really excited about. So the first thing that I did I got these two at Dollar Tree. Almost all the holidays they come out with something like this. And so this is something I've been wanting to do. I did do the fall one similar to this, and you'll see it in my fall home tour. I'm a little late because life happens, and so anyway, I have cut off the jute string and taken the tags off of both of them, and then I'm going to look at them. I'm going to do jingle bells on the top with all of that up there, and then I'm going to add this one down here. So the one thing I know, I have my beads, a couple of snowflakes. I'm gonna put them over there, and I need a flat surface. So we're gonna take this out and it will come back. We'll work with that in a little bit, and I'm just gonna lay this down on my flat surface. I have picked up some of these giant craft sticks. You get 45 of them. I don't remember the price. It was at Walmart. And so you can see some of them are a little bowed. I'm gonna save those for skis, and I am going to use these two. So you could use other wood that you might have hanging around the house. You want to find ones that are pretty straight. There we go. Okay, so on this project I'm going to use my E6000 because I have it out. My new glue gun, I got it at Walmart. It is a 2-temp dual temp by AdTech. So far I am very happy with it. I actually made a 3-tiered tray for my kitchen, and you'll see that in my fall home tour. I wasn't going to do this on separate channel, but I've decided that I'm going to, and that way I can DIY all I want. Now you have plenty of time. This is going to take a while to dry, so I actually did put the lid back on my E6000. We're going to need a new glue stick, and I'm using the Gorilla Glue sticks because, you know, if they work as well as Gorilla Glue does, I want all the help I can get. Be really careful because of course your glue is hot. I have mine on high. Okay, so just gonna hold that down for a little bit here, and let's go ahead, and the hot glue will hold this down. Now you could just use hot glue. I don't want to have to fix this every year, so I'm hoping the E6000 that will take hold after the glue. You know, the glue stick's going to take hold, and that's going to be great. So let's show you. These are my my Gorilla Glue sticks, and they're 45-second extended working time. That's kind of nice. You want all the time you can get, I think. Okay, so we have successfully glued these together. So this next part you could actually do on just the one and then glue them together. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but anyway. So I have this jumbled mess of some things you're gonna find. I'll have a lot of jumbled mess things that came from my mom's stash, and this was, she did a lot of events, And so these were decorations that she had around bottles. I'm going to just quickly try and get the knots out because we're going to add the beads. I am going to leave this heart on here because this is my mom's handiwork, okay? And that is special to me. These things I'm making are for my home. And so again, that is special to me that she did that. So I have this jar of beads, and these are Christmas beads that I got several years ago. They were a long strand, and I've taken them apart and I have them in my bucket here. And then I have a few of these, but I also have this this one here. So if I need some other color once I get it on here and I go, oh, you know what, it really needs some, you know what's in here? There's this broken bracelet that looks like ice cubes, and I think that would be really cool on here, so I'm gonna add those. And then I do have the snowflakes, so we're gonna add the snowflakes last. So yeah, so I'm excited to show you that. Okay, so here we go. We are going to I've gone ahead, added a wood bead, and now we have a heart. And these have already been on something, so they should string together pretty easily. Up here are some little green beads, and so I like that. I think that is, ooh, jingle bells. I'm gonna get some jingle bells. Okay, so we have a variety of jingle bells, and I think I want a gold one here on the front. I'm just again gonna add it. They're a little harder to get to go through than the beads are. So I'd have to use a bigger one. Okay, I'm going to take the green bead off and add a green jingle bell. Because I have them. I have them in my stash. I have so much wonderful stuff in my craft stash that I just really haven't had a chance to use. So I'm going to come down. I want this to kind of hang off this edge over here. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this around here so that it will kind of stay in place when I tell it where I want it to go. Okay, so next I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to wrap my wire around it a couple of times and then pull it, and that'll give me this little pretty edge. And let's try one of these ice cube beads. I also have a set of green and red and white beads, which I should have out, and I don't. I wonder if we can get a... Okay, this one's gonna go on. Yay! Okay, there's that. And then maybe one of the wood ones, because we have the wood color. And we're going to go ahead and do this again. And what this does is it keeps our beads segregated. So you're just going to go ahead and fill this up with your beads. I think we'll do another pencil twist. And you see how that just keeps your beads from going from past. It's a stopper. It's a stopper for your beads. And then through the hole. And you can make this longer if you want to. Again, I'm just reusing a lot of times that's what you're going to see me do, is I'm reusing items that I have. Okay, so here we have this, so maybe a brown bead, red bead, kind of looks like a cranberry, it's kind of cool, and the bell. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the bell and I'm just going to wrap it around it. So next we have these snowflakes, and there's snowflakes all over this little item. So I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of these snowflakes. Again, these were out of my stash of items. I have a couple pieces of, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it on. Okay. And then I'm going to grab this one. This one was probably decorating one of those little Christmas trees like at the grocery store at one time. So since this one likes to kind of hang down, I'm going to see if I can get it to go in here like this. And we'll let this one kind of hang down here. And then I'm going to attach, and I'm going to wrap this one around so that it will hang up here. Okay, so there we go. So we've added a pretty topper. Now you could go down and add snowflakes. I really like it. So now we'll move on to our next project, and that is this Christmas court. So I found Christmas court, and I think the other one's like Holly Lane, and they're both long and skinny enamel. They're from Dollar General, and they were $1. So I hope you can still find those. I'll work on getting that off later. I'm going to go ahead, again, we're going to cut off the ribbon and pull it through. And we'll save that for later. We're going to get into my mom's jumbled mess. Oh wow, look at there, we were able to pull one on. Nice cube and a little green jingle bell. Little pieces of pine to it. So I have some of this garland from Walmart. It is, I bought it, it's going to go on my tree. I'm trying to see if I can resurrect my tree. Do that, and then we can just add a bow. you can pretty much do this with any sign that you have or that you make. Wire. Add some hot glue. Add my bow. And secure it. Okay, so this is, looks like it's from Michael's, and it was in my, my journal stash, my Christmas journal. Actually, a lot of this was the snowflakes that I used were in there. The beads, I used those for dangles, things like that. And so there you go. We have a cute little topper for our Christmas tree court. And again, I used items from my stash and from my mom's stash, and I think it turned out really fun. So. There you go. We have two great projects. This one, $1 plus all the stuff that you probably have hanging around in some way, shape, or form. And this one was $2. Each of those signs was $1, and then items that I had hanging around. There you go. Find something to celebrate every day and have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.